Hi everyone and welcome back to CADReader tutorial series. In lesson 13, we're continuing with annotation tools in CADReader. Today I'll show you how to add single line text and multi-line text, modify or move text, duplicate text, and search commented text in your CAD drawings. Let's get started. First, open a drawing in CADReader. To add text, click text, single line text, then click anywhere in the drawing and input your text right here. If you need to add longer notes, you can use text, multi-line text. Simply click the option, type the text you want, and then click Insert. This is perfect for detailed comments or instructions. To customize text, right-click the annotation and select Modify Comment Properties. You can adjust color, text height, or edit the text itself. Click OK to apply your changes. Now, if you want to modify or move your text, just click Text, Modify or Move Text. Then select the text and adjust its position or content, just like what I'm showing here. What if you need to add the same content multiple times? No problem. Click Text, Duplicate Text, and you can paste the same text anywhere in your drawing. This is really useful for repeated notes or standard comments. CADReader also allows you to quickly search for text contents. Click Find, enter the text you want to search for, select comments as the search range, and then click Find. All related text will be highlighted in red and you can easily review them from the list. Finally, once you've finished with your annotations, you can export your drawing with all comments included. Just go to Open, Export, and your file will be ready to view or share on any device. Whether it's a phone, iPad, or laptop, you can also send it directly to your colleagues or friends. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.